Now this is how you find the exact ones that these successful channels are using. YouTube is not recommending your videos. It's frustrating, especially when you make good content. I know what that's like because it happens to me. So let's start by going to YouTube Studio. We're going to go down to Settings and then to Channel. Here we're able to see where we can put channel keywords. The reason why channel keywords are important is because they tell YouTube what your channel and your videos are about, so that when people search those specific words when they're on YouTube, your channel and your videos will have a higher likelihood of popping up. So, how do we find some of the best keywords? Let's first understand what kind of niche we're in. For this specific channel, it's about finances, financial terms being explained. So I'm going to search that in YouTube. I come across this channel that looks fairly successful, Clear Value Tax. And now let's look in the description of that channel. Here we see some possible keywords that we could use. So let's plug them in. Let's say those are level 1 keywords that we can use. What about level 2? So we see this successful channel here, Clear Value Tax. I'm sure many people search up Clear Value Tax. So why not use that channel name as a keyword? Because whenever someone searches up Clear Value Tax, my channel will have a higher likelihood of popping up as well. So let's plug that in as another keyword. I know I'm going a little fast. That's because I want to get right to the point and save you guys time. Now, how do we find the exact same keywords that all of these successful channels are using? I'll show you right now. Let's go back to Clear Value Tax, which is, again, in the same niche as the one that I want to find good keywords for. Let's go to this channel page, and let's right-click. Once we right-click, tap View Page Source. That takes us to this sort of web code where we're able to search information of that channel. Once we're here, we want to be able to search certain words. So let's find the search option by going to the Finder. You can do this by hitting either Control F on Windows or PC or Command F on a Mac. Once we're here, we want to type in keyword. Hit enter. Now this is how you find the exact ones that these successful channels are using. It's all right here. So let's use them for our channel because they're working for these channels. Let's plug these in. Now we have these for our channel keywords, and whenever you have videos and when you're uploading new videos, be sure to include those in your video keywords as well when you're editing your videos and getting them ready to upload. Let's do a quick recap how to find these 3 levels of the best keywords. We first find successful channels that are in the same niche as ours. Find the channel descriptions on their pages and think of what words in those descriptions could be used as good keywords. Use those. Then for level 2, we use the same channel names of those successful channels. Because people search those successful channels, we might as well use those as keywords as well. Then, for level 3, we go to those successful channels, we right-click, View Page Source, and we search the keywords in that web code. That will show us the exact same keywords that all of those successful channels are using for everyone that you search into. I know this can help your channel grow so much because it's helping other channels grow. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.